How does a vacation to the Bahamas sound to you? And how do you feel about booking it for just 20,000 points round trip? If that sounds great, then keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how you can achieve this. Hi, I'm Anisha from MyCC Moves, and today I'm going to show you how you can book a trip to the Bahamas with your credit card points. Before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from MyCC Moves on all things credit cards and points travel. Now let's get into it. If you're like me and you've always dreamt of going to the Bahamas, then you're in the right place. Lucky for us, there are some great ways to use your credit card points to fly to the Bahamas. Today, we will do this in 3 steps. Number 1, search. Number 2, transfer. Number 3, book. Our first step is search. Today, we are taking the example of a non-stop flight from Atlanta to Nassau, Bahamas on economy class. To book this flight, we will be using Virgin Atlantic website. You will start by going to virginatlantic.com/US and create your free loyalty account. Once you're on the website, you will go to the top right here and click on Join Flying Club to complete your sign-up process. After signing up, you will simply log into your account and then begin your search. Once you are logged in, click on Book on the top menu here and then type ATL for your origin airport and NAS for your arrival airport. Select round trip here, and for dates, I'm going to enter December 6 to December 10 right now. We can view flexible dates by clicking on this checkbox, Show Flexible Dates. You definitely want to do that so you can get a calendar view and see the available dates and prices for the whole month. Now select the number of people that you're booking for. We will take a party of 2 as an example today. Next, make sure you select points here where it says Show Price In. We are searching for economy fares today, but you'll see in a moment that selecting economy will show you both economy and first class if available. After this, you will click on this red arrow and get the results. Once the results load, you're going to see 22,000 points and $120 as the best points price available per person. And with that, our first step is complete. Remember that we were doing this to first confirm award availability. And now our second step will be transfer. Now that you have confirmed award availability for your desired dates, it's time to get your Virgin points together. You have a few options for credit card points that transfer to Virgin Atlantic. These credit cards include Amex, Bilt, Citi, Capital One, and Chase. But wait, there is more. Until 31st May of 2024, American Express is running a 30% transfer bonus when you transfer Amex points to Virgin Atlantic. And until 15th June of 2024, Chase is also running a 30% transfer bonus when you transfer Chase points to Virgin Atlantic. So if you transfer points from these programs to Virgin, you will only need to transfer 17,000 points per person instead of the 22,000. To calculate how many points you need to transfer with a 30% transfer bonus, you simply need to divide the number of points that you need, which is 22,000, by 1.3. This gives you 16,000 something, and you have to round it up to the next 1,000, and that gives you 17,000. However, if you transfer points from Citi, Bilt, or Capital One, since there is no current transfer bonus, you will have to transfer 22,000 points per person. You can repeat the same math if you're booking for a party of 2. And once again, remember the important dates here. The Amex transfer bonus expires at the end of May of 2024, and the Chase transfer bonus expires on the 15th of June. Now for the best step, book. For this step, we will head back to the Virgin Atlantic website and make sure that the transfer of points is complete. After that, we will just follow the steps that we discussed in step 1 and complete the booking. Once you open the Virgin website and select your desired flights, this is the screen that you will get to. From here, you just need to complete your payment by using the credit card that gets you the maximum points on flight bookings. I use my American Express Platinum credit card for this, which gives me 5x points on flight bookings. If you are based out of somewhere else and cannot position to Atlanta to take this flight, you can follow the same steps and try different origin airports. I did a quick search for JFK, IAD, and SFO airports, and the best prices that I saw were 30,000, 44,000, and 60,000 respectively. But with a 30% transfer bonus from American Express or Chase, it may make sense for you. So do the math. You will notice that the flights that we booked were actually operated by Delta Airlines, but we were able to book them on Virgin Atlantic's website. This is because Virgin Atlantic and Delta are both a part of the airline alliance called SkyTeam, and Virgin Atlantic cross-lists some of the Delta Partner Awards on its website. Remember, you will not be able to find all Delta flights on Virgin Atlantic website. And with that, congratulations, you're going to the Bahamas. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to My CC Moves for more points travel and credit card tips. I'll see you in the next video. Happy travels.